Hola mis estudiantes. I'm going to kind of go through how you do this particular assignment. This is actividad 11. That may change. I have to see how I'm going to put this together. But you're going to be watching this video before you complete the assignment. What you'll do is when you open this document up, you're going to copy and paste this link into the search bar above. And it's going to take you to a flippity randomizer where I've set up a randomizer that's going to help you write some sentences in Spanish using some vocab from this week. And of course, you can see my silly little brother is also in this activity. These sentences are more or less inspired by him this week. So anyway, what you're going to do is you're going to be rolling these 3 rollers, and each of these 3 rollers has a category assigned to it. When we write sentences in Spanish, we need to start asking ourselves some questions. So we're going to begin by asking ourselves these 3 questions anytime we write something. We're going to ask ourselves, ¿quién? Who? What does the Spanish owl say? ¿Quién? ¿Quién? Haha, okay. So who? Who is doing what action? ¿Qué acción? So what verb or action word? And then the next question we should be asking ourselves is, ¿a qué persona? To what person do we do that action? Or to what thing? So as we go through, what your task will be is to roll the roller thingies, randomizers. And these randomizers are going to give you a skeleton sentence. Oh my gosh. So our skeleton sentence is Cameron llora sobre una ninja. And we will take that sentence and we will write it here. Cameron llorar sobre una ninja. What you will do is you are going to write this in English. Word for word. This says Cameron to cry over a ninja. Kind of a silly thing for Cameron to do, but he does dumb things all the time. There's a problem here. Llorar means to cry, so we're missing the conjugation. So what you need to do is rewrite the sentence so that it makes sense. Cameron, we take off the AR. He is a he, so we're going to say llora because it's a he-she conjugation. Sobre una ninja. Not ninja. So now we have conjugated the verb. That was what was wrong with this sentence. Then we translate the correct translation. So it is Cameron cries, not to cry, over a ninja. Who knows what this ninja did? Maybe this ninja broke up with him. He had a ninja girlfriend and she broke up with him and he cried over it. So there's a few things that you're going to find with this randomizer is that some sentences may be missing words. So when you first write out your sentence, if it is missing a word, such as, let's say it didn't say una ninja, but just ninja, you would have to add that information in down here. So you will have to fill in the blanks. Some of these sentences won't exactly line up. So if there is a word that's missing in English when you translate it, and you're not using Google Translate for this, you should be, these terms are in our vocab lists. Or sometimes I have the English if it's a word that I haven't mentioned yet or that I know you haven't learned. So you go through and say, does this make sense to me in English? When you translate it, and then no matter what, you're going to have to bare minimum conjugate the verb based on who does the action in the sentence. You will do this 4 times through. If you have any questions, email me at gmakowski@nrwcs.org.